What's up, y'all? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Guys, excuse my damn voice. I am sick. So yes, guys, getting into things. I've already did my right hand. I'm now going in and I'm going to be putting acrylic on my left hand. So I did the right hand off camera. I started doing something new with my nails, being that I'm right-handed. I struggled doing the right hand with the left hand, so I decided to do the right hand first, off camera, you know, took my time, and that came out pretty good. So I am using clear tips that I got from my nearest nail supply store around my neighborhood. Okay, and this brush is a size 12. I usually like the size 8, but they didn't have it. So I had to use this big ass brush, y'all. It was very uncomfortable. I didn't like the big brush, but I made it work. You could definitely make it work. So yes, this is a size 12, and I know some of y'all probably like, oh my god, like this is so wrong. But listen, I am not a professional. I'm not a professional. I just like doing my own nails to practice. I love learning new tasks, new skills. And, you know, it's just practice. Like, plus, I like doing my own nails. It saves money, okay? It saves coins. If you guys are new, definitely subscribe. Check out my other nail videos. Okay, guys, I have a few more that I've done. And I wasn't going to record these, but I was like, you know what? I might as well record them because I haven't recorded a nail video in, I think, a month. So, it's well overdue. So yes, guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I use a lot of monomer. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to be, like, the way I pick up the monomer, I know I'm not supposed to do it like that, but like the way I dip the monomer into the I dip the brush into the monomer and then into the acrylic, I think I do it too much and I end up wasting a lot of it. So I'm still learning the application process, and I am going to take a class, so I'll definitely get better. But I am so proud of this set that I did, guys. So proud. Okay guys, so this is how it looks after I finish the acrylic. And now I have you know, filed and shaped them a little more. So I'm going in with this D&D gel polish. This was $6 at the beauty supply store, and I got the glue at the beauty supply store for the crystals, and I got the crystals on Amazon. I'll try to leave everything in the description box if I can. And I got this wax pen from Amazon as well. Okay, and I have the crystals laid out. So I'm just going in with some nice with a gel top coat, and I'm just gonna put that all over the nails and cure it for about 40 to 60 seconds. And guys, I just really wanted a nice pretty blue color. This is why I got this. I wanted a nice pretty blue color, and I actually have this color on my toes. So I was like, you know, I want to go ahead and do this color to match my toes. So yes, and I never do square, guys. Never. One thing I noticed about these clear tips is that they are very fragile, and I didn't want to break them or have to redo them, so I just decided to leave them in this shape when I was gluing them on. So yes, here I'm just painting my nails with this. I'm going to do a first coat on top of that top coat. So I'm just going to do one coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it and do the others